Good morning student. We will discuss today chapter 8 equation, and in the last lecture we discussed the inverse operation method. Now today we will discuss how to solve an equation using transposition method. What is the transposition method? Transposition method. In this method I already told to you that whenever you change the side, then plus change into the minus, minus change into the plus, multiply change into the division, and division change into the multiply. How to perform these things in the question? Now today we will discuss. Suppose a question given to you that x plus 5 is equal to 10. Then what is the value of x? Inverse operation we do that here is plus 5, it means subtract minus 5 from both sides and then we will get the result. But in transposition method it means mentally how to solve it, that variable x here, then we write down only x here. This is a plus 5, when you change the side then it becomes 10 minus 5, plus change into the minus, it means x value 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Another example take, suppose it is x plus 30 is equal to 25. Then here with variable in addition, then when we change the side, then we will take negative sign, then x is equal to 25 minus 30. Obviously plus minus minus, it means 30 minus 20, but which one is greater? Minus value, it means minus sign here, then answer is minus 5. Same type if we perform the subtraction, suppose x minus 10 is equal to 40. Then x is equal to 40, this minus 10 change into plus 10, then this x is equal to 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. Another example, suppose a minus 25 is equal to 10 minus 10, then a, this minus when you take here, firstly write down RHN side value, then this minus 25 change into the plus 25, then this a become, a is equal to plus minus minus, but 25 minus 10, greater value positive, then obviously answer will come in positive, then your a value answer is 15. See in multiplication, suppose it is given to you 3x is equal to 12. Variable x here, 3 is in multiply. It means when you change the side, then it will come into the division. Then it becomes x is equal to 4. Another see, suppose 0.2x is equal to 25. Then see, this is in multiply, we need the variable value x, 25 upon this 0.2 come in division, then 10, 2 5s are 10, 25 into 5, 125. So this type we perform the multiplication. See the division, suppose 1 by 3 x is equal to 20. This one is in division, then this 3 is in division, when we will take in this side, x is equal to 20 into 3, that is x is equal to 20 into 3 is equal to 60. So this type we will solve using the transposition method, simple equations. We can solve an equation, we can find the value of unknown variable. Now see some word problems. Based on these things, based on transposition method, you can do complete your exercise 5th B. Now we will check, we will solve translating word problems into equation. Any word problem is given to you, how to change into the equation and then how to find out the solution of unknown variable. Their question is, a number decreased by 5 is 23. Your question is, a number decreased by 5 is 23. Increased by means addition, decreased by means subtraction. We already discussed in the chapter 7 introduction to algebra. So a number decreased by 5 is 25. We don't know the number. So in the solution we write down, let number is x. Now our question become x decreased by 5. It means x 5 से decrease हो रहा है, तो it means x में से 5 कम हो रहा है. It means we can write down x decreased by 5. It means x minus 5 is, whenever you have this type of helping verb, then put equal sign, is equal to 25. Now it become equation. If we write down only a number decreased by 5, x minus 5, it is algebraic representation, and when we put the equal sign in between this, then this become an equation. Then solve this equation. Both method we will use. Suppose if we are using the mentally method, direct method, then this minus 5, it means for solving it we have to add plus 5 both sides. Then it become x is equal to 30. This is direct method. If we want to use the transposition method, then it become x is equal to 25. This minus 5, when you change the side, become plus 5. Then x is equal to 30. So you can use any method, depends on you, but if it is mentioned in the question use the transposition method, then use this only. Okay, now next example take. Suppose it is given to you 8 more than the number is 17. 8 more than the number is 17. Means अगर हम किसी में more than word is used for addition. So 8 more than the number, same thing, let number is x. 8 more than the number, it means in this x we will add 8. Is means equal sign, then 17. It means किसमें 8 ऐड किया जाए कि हमें 17 मिल जाए. Mentally method, that it means we will do subtract here minus 8, both side cancel, x is equal to 9. Transposition method, x is equal to 17, this plus 8 convert here minus 8, then x is equal to 9. So you can use any method. Another problem check. 5 multiplied by the number 'let number x 5 multiplied by number', it means उस number को हमें 5 से multiply करना है, is means is equal to 40. If we want to mentally method, तो 5 से multiply है, उसी 5 से हम क्या कर दें, उसको divide कर दें. both sides, then it become x is equal to 5 to 5 cancel, 5 8s are 40. Or transposition method if we want to use, then x is equal to 40, 5 is in multiply, then it will come in division, then x is equal to 8. So this type we will solve our question, that transposition multiplication, then this will come into division. Another problem, see, if a number is divided by 4, the result is 50. Same thing, let number is x, then x is divided by 4, then result after dividing it, result is 15. Mentally if we want to solve, then x by 4, it means इस 4 से हमें क्या करना है, दोनों साइड में मल्टीप्लाई, then it becomes x and 15 4 the 60. But if we want to do transposition method, then for his here division, then here come in multiplication, then x is equal to 60. So what problem we will solve like this? Another examples, less than the marks, 15 less than the marks scored by Sunil is 55. How many marks did Sunil score? How many marks did Sunil score? 15 less than the marks scored by Sunil is 55. Less than word किसके लिए यूज होता है? Less than means minus, मीन्स जो भी रिजल्ट हो उसमें से क्या माइनस कर दे? 15. 15 less than the marks scored by Sunil. We don't know, so we write down let marks scored by Sunil is equal to x. 15 less than scored by Sunil is 55. It means जितना स्कोर किया है सुनील ने उसमें से अगर 15 लेस देन कर दिए जाए, माइनस कर दिए जाए, तो हमारे पास स्कोर बचेगा 55 का. नाउ सॉल्व इट. x माइनस 15, इस माइनस को मेंटली सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? बोथ साइड वी विल ऐड प्लस 15, then x minus 15 to plus 15 cancel, it become 70. And how to solve the transposition method? That it is given to this x is equal to this minus, change here into plus, then x value is 70. So this type we will solve our exercise 5th C also. One more problem we will discuss now. Suppose it is given to you half the length of Janus Garden is 15 meters. Find the length of so what we will do in this, let Janus Garden length, we don't know, so we take x meter. Now see the statement and change into the algebraic representation. Half the length of this, half means x ka 1/2. Half the length of Janus Garden, or we can say like this, 1/2, half the length of Janus Garden is means equal 15 meter. Then it become 1/2. Janus Garden length is x. This transposition method if we will use, then it become 1/2. Sorry, this is 1 multiplied by x. X by 2 is equal to 15. Division is x. Division divided by 2. So when you change the side, then this will change into the multiplication. Then it becomes x is equal to 15 to the 30 meters. So in the last we can write down, so thus Janus Garden length is equal to 13 meter. So this is our answer, and this complete exercise 8C. Now then in today's lecture you can do complete your 8B and 8C exercise in your fair notebook. If you have any problem, you can ask, or firstly solve the introduction to algebra chapter properly, then try to solve these questions, because this is totally based on the introduction to algebra chapter. Thank you, student.